Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix taskbar not working in Windows 11. So first method, just restart your system. So this is the first method. After restart, still you are facing problem. So try this second method. Search CMD. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Now type here this command line sfc / scan now. So type this command line sfc / scan now, then press enter. And guys, complete this scanning. And once this complete up to 100%, again open CMD, run as administrator. Now this time type this command line restore health. Now type this command line dism.exe /online /pinup -image /restore health. So type this command line and press enter and complete this second scanning. And once this complete, restart and reboot again. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this method will work. Comment if this video useful for you or not.